that all the leaders will sit together or representatives of the leaders will sit together and make some announcements. So in some places this has happened.
I'm not talking about specifically on Goa.
No, I'm talking about Goa, I'm talking about UP. Some announcements are made in UP, the discussions continued. Some more announcements are made in UP, discussions continued. Now we've reached a point when we can both together sit down and announce. So there will be an announcement together. Today, it would be unfair on my part to say that is not right, or for me to say, no, that is right, because then what are we negotiating about? Negotiations are going on even today while I'm not there in Delhi. Negotiations are continuing. We are on very good terms with the Aam Aadmi Party leaders who have come to negotiate. We are working in parallel. I do understand that your PEC has already met and that the screening committee is in the process of meeting. They've met once. They will meet again. Unlike UP, you don't have to decide 80 seats. You have to decide only 2 seats. So it can all be done quickly and rapidly. I am on the Central Election Committee. All that will come before us and we'll also quickly decide. But as I said, we tried to put a timeline, but it was difficult to put a timeline. So many things were happening at the same time. But there's a continual process going on by which we can hope to finally give you as to what is the final decision very, very shortly.